Got rain today, might be a little snow coming in. First snow here down in the city of Denver. It's been snowing in the mountains. Working at a high-rise property today, another high-rise property, not the one I'm usually at. It's not as exciting as the one I'm usually at, but we're gonna knock out a couple of work orders and I might just spend half a day there depending on how busy it is. Well, let's jump right in. Yep, snow flurries, first time this year in Denver. Beautiful thing, isn't it? Just gonna hang out here on the roof for a little bit. Check out an AC. Looks like the plug is loose. I don't know. Think those terminals are still good. Here's an old unit. I'm guessing this is toast. Uh-oh. What was that noise? Oh. Guessing this old unit's toast. It's the same tonnage. I'm gonna check this plug out, see what kind of shape it's in. Perfect. All right, got a new whip. Got that cleaned up a little bit. Gonna feed these wires through. Also, guys, don't work on air conditioners when it's snowing out. I've got that new plug on. I'm gonna button everything up. Got everything buttoned back up. It's getting cold. Snow's starting to come down harder. I gotta get off this roof. Looks like it's on, but if you just tap it, it goes into the trip. No good. Now, what I would normally do now is ohm out the compressor to see if there's a direct short to ground or if the windings are open. Pretty sure the compressor's bad, but as you can see, it's starting to snow harder and harder, and it's getting a little cold out here. So I'll save this for another day or let someone else deal with it. Now, this may seem like an easy work order. It is. This has to be in the off position. Either that or unplug the microwave. If not, you can actually fry the board if you don't turn off the power to the light before swapping it out. I've seen at least 10 techs do this in my career. I've worked this property part-time for about 1 year, and it's just not very exciting usually. 95% of the work orders are just what you saw: clogged drain, microwave light, fridge filter. Other than that, every once in a while the oven air coat to come in or appliance to break. I don't think we're gonna get that lucky today. So the property manager here gave me the option to go help someone else out that needs my help, or do property walk stuff, and I don't think I want to do that, especially with how crappy it is today. So I'm gonna head down to the high rise down the street and help them out with some work orders. They're always busy over there. Still short-handed. Still looking for a tech too. Just saying. Hit me up if you're interested in working in Denver. I forgot to add, they also get a lot of smoke detector work orders, which I just got called for to come back because somebody's smoke detector started beeping. Woohoo! So exciting. Let's go. At least this gives me the chance to climb some more floors. I put in the new smoke detector and it started beeping right away. Look at that date. 2013, July 10th. While the smoke detectors may be good, you're supposed to replace them every 10 years. There's no way in hell the batteries keep in charge for 10 years. There's the battery, 2015. Got that all cleared up. Sorry I couldn't film, but let's get out of here, huh? I am back to my trusty cart, and I've missed 2 Mondays is when I'm supposed to clean this cart. I'm gonna do that right now because I'm sick of working with this junk, this rolling pile of junk. A little bit better. There's the trash. From the leak the other day. Sometimes these types of work orders blow. This might be the drain of the week, guys. I think it is. Maybe the month. Oh boy, this is exciting. Look at that. Ah, smells great. I think it's broke. Let's check the water. We can probably find another handle somewhere. Open. Off. How does this happen? Oh, new flooring. That's how. And this is hot. You hear that solenoid? Just gonna shut down on both of these and flip these hoses. They're not hooked up right. They didn't hook up the dryer vent. Shocker. I'll fix that while I'm here. What had a 50-50 shot of hooking these up right. Got to be careful with these old valves when you turn them off. That may be why that's off. They thought it was leaking, or they knew it was leaking. It's super loose. I think it's about to bust off. That one's loose too. Wipe this up. Make sure everything's dry. I think we got it. Just don't ever, keep in mind these are brass. If you crank down on them too hard, they could snap. That wouldn't be good. Doesn't look like we're leaking, we're good. Now just finish hooking up this dryer vent. It'll actually be easier to hook this up first, then just slide it over the dryer vent. Got that hooked up. Test the repair. The piece is missing. The locking piece is not there. It's supposed to be right here, but it's over here. I'm gonna put this on the other side. Is that locked? Yep. Sink not draining. Just got an emergency call from the high-rise I was at earlier. Gas won't shut off from the stove. I'm up here and don't smell any gas. This thing's off for some reason. Weird. Don't hear gas, don't smell gas. Because it was called in as a gas leak, I unfortunately do have to go up there and check with a sniffer. Now, this is just to cover my ass. No gas. I'm gonna walk the whole floor. just to cover my ass. Just had another call come in for this place. Another exciting one. All right, it just flashed 3 times. If these go long enough and they can lose their programming, let's see if it still works. Cool. All right, I'm done here for now. Knocked out the 2 emergencies. Gonna head back to the mid-rise. I still haven't taken my lunch break yet. I might do that and maybe do a couple more work orders. I don't know. We'll see how the day goes. It's already 2 o'clock and I've got about a 15-minute drive back to the other property. Got about 35 boxes of unexpected pool furniture showing up at the end of the day. So getting in quite the workout. At the end of the day, it's almost 5. Look at all this crap. Good thing there's like still 6 of us here. It's not too bad. Even the office staff is pitching in.